back to my YouTube channel. I haven't been on here in a while. I haven't been on here in a while. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna cap. I'm not even gonna lie and cap. So today we are going to be installing. Well, it's not really an install. I need to do my hair for tomorrow. I know. But basically, we need to do my hair for tomorrow, and I got a half of a cart, and we're gonna attempt to put my wig back on. Yay! Yep. It fell. Alright, y'all. We here. Wig cap. Just took it off. When I got home from school. Let's get going. Put it on here. Y'all, I hate wig caps because my nails are long and I can't grip it. Alright, y'all. Here go the wig. As you can see from the lace, it looks a little pre-owned. It's because I took it off when I got home from school. Yep. So, yeah. Hold up. I hope I'm doing it right. Bro, well, my part looks synthetic. Oh my god, where's my comb? Ugh. Hell no, hold up. Yep. Let's define the part a little bit more and pull my edges out. Y'all! Bro, I'm serious, bro. Alright. It's alright, though. It's good for the memory of the zombie. That was corny as bro. Alright. This shit already look natural. If you was like one of them that wear your hair like this, like, let's say you worked in a nursing home and you had to have your hair in a bun. This shit, you could walk in there like this and they wouldn't say nothing. Now when you look at it, they might say something. But if you ain't looking at that, go say something. Alright. This video was not sponsored by Got to Be Spray. Okay. Ooh, it's gonna get right on my edges too, y'all. Remember I told y'all I couldn't grip the wig cap? Yeah, it got a hole in it. Yeah. I don't know if your wig cap's supposed to be all the way up there like that, though. Oh, yeah. Y'all. Alright. Y'all, my wig is sliding back. I can feel it. Oh, speaking of wigs sliding back, let me tell you what the freak happened at PE today. So, I'm at PE, personal fitness, because you know I'm a senior now. Personal fitness, because it's not physical education. It's not physical education. I was playing badminton or whatever, pickleball. I was playing pickleball. And that's why I can't wear a glueless wig to school, because it was sliding back. Damn, there's some hair on my face that won't come off. Like, I was playing pickleball with my friends. So, it's time to go. And my friend Kamaya, shouts out to Kamaya, because without you, Kamaya, if you watch this video, I know if you watch this video or not, Kamaya. Because if you did, you would text me. Boom. Anyways, shouts out to Kamaya, because she the one that told me my wig was, she the one that told me you could see my sideburns. The wig was pushed the fuck back. Like, when I tell you it was, ooh, that shit made my eye burn. When I tell y'all that wig was pushed, y'all got my little rag right here too. Alcohol rag, just in case, in my face. Like, so, glueless wigs, you don't even supposed to be putting glue on. But I put glue on mine because I don't believe in glueless. I only believed in glueless for like a day. And it showed me, that day, which was today, showed me that I can't do no glueless wig. Today showed me that I could not do a glueless, baby. Damn near pulled my wig off my scalp trying to show me, baby, but you did. And I forgive you. I learned my lesson, bro. This is the time. This is the time where you put your glasses over your oh, bitch. Hell no. Y'all, I am legally blind, okay? Legally blind. So that's why I don't like doing my own hair. I'm sticking anyways. Oh, okay. Redo. Y'all, I don't really know what the purpose of the got to be is. Because got to be, it got to be, right? Got to be does not hold laces down, like, at all. It does all. So I really don't even know the purpose. Hold up, y'all. Alright, so as I was saying, got to be don't serve no purpose. Like, not to my hair. Like, at all. My skin, either. Like, well, y'all, I don't know. I think I'm an alien. I ain't even finna cap. I think I'm an alien. Because products don't be sticking to me. like wig glue barely sticks to me. Wig glue barely sticks to my head. Wig glue barely sticks to my head. Got to be barely sticks to my head. Edge control barely sticks to my head. Like, I don't know. Okay. So, I hope I did it. Because, y'all, I was literally going by Jesus and his son. I wasn't paying no attention. Because I can't see without my glasses. So, we're just gonna go. Hold up, y'all. We're taking a leap of faith right now, honestly. Un momento. Y'all, this is going very, 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 very bad. Like, real talk. Like, what the like, okay. I don't never glue this side down. I maybe need to start to, but not today. So, y'all know those videos that be like, trust the process, and then the process be booty at the end? This video right here. Trust the process. That's all I'm gonna say. Trust the process. You either got it or you don't. And I probably don't got it. It's like, alright. Y'all, when I tell y'all watch this edge shit don't stick. This edge shit don't stick to my forehead. Oh my god. Yo. Alcohol. Ate it up. Alright. Y'all, we taking a leap of faith. Trust the process, bro. Trust the process, bro. I'm trying to trust the process, but the process is good. Like, for real. Okay. We trusting the process? Like, for real, for real? Yeah, we gonna trust it. Y'all, this process being trust. But we're just gonna take that leap of faith, like. And no, we're not done, y'all. This is not the end result. That's why I keep telling y'all, trust the process. Or telling myself to trust the process. yeah, that's basically all I can say right now. I'm trying not to have a mental breakdown because I got school tomorrow and my edges look like testing the process. We're trusting the process, right? Trusting the process. Trusting the process. Y'all, this big long edge. Oh my god. Let me see if I can look at it. It look like a tattoo edge. I look bald. You don't supposed to look bald if you have a wig. That's the pun of the wig. Like, what the Alright, bro. We finna put the wig thing on. Alright. So, y'all, my wig band is dirty, okay? Don't come for me. Don't come for me. Now, this side is not locked in. Like, I don't even care about this side, for real. It's this piece right here is under my glasses. I don't care what goes on this side. If you ever see me in public and wonder, is one side of my wig not down? It's not. And that's okay. Like, I don't like this wig band. I'll be bad. Alright, I had to go get my thick wig band. You can see this one is thicker than this one. Or if there's, I don't know. What y'all think? Oh well, we're gonna put this one on. Because this one is thick. So it'll do more, I think. Y'all, this already lifting. I didn't even get to put the wig yet. I didn't even get to put the wig band on yet. Lay down. Lay down. There you go. Lay down. My days. Okay. Put the wig band on. Procrastinating at this point, right? Another thing I hate is that my nails be getting caught in my hair. Alright, y'all, now that process is over, it's time for the styling process. But y'all, when I tell y'all, when I got home, I ripped this wig off my head. Ugh, I ripped it off. Like, before I even unlocked the door, the wig was off my head. Swear to God. You can ask the man next door because he got a Ring camera. You can ask him because he got a Ring camera. He saw a bald coming through the front door. But don't worry about it though, because she lives here, so it's okay. We're gonna make sure Shawty flat. We're not even done making her flat. I already took, ooh, y'all. Don't mind my wig accessories, cause I be rushing in the morning. I be rushing to do my hair because I always wake up late. I don't miss the bus though, or my mom. Alright. I love just putting the wax stick on. Because I feel like after you put the got to be up there, make sure it don't move. The wax stick just adds extra security. Fuck with the wax stick, bro. Alright. Now let's get into this part. Y'all, we just gonna straighten it. Cause some people are very talented. Like, they know how to curl with flat irons. I'm not one of those. You gonna get 30-inch bust down straight, side part, for sure. Why keep doing it? It can go like whoop, like no go do. Like, y'all, I miss Caitlin Nicole so much being on YouTube. Like, Caitlin Nicole was a part of that YouTube, that crackhead energy YouTubers. And I loved her. The only people that I really watch on YouTube now is DJ TV. Because they're funny as freak. I want to meet Brian so bad. I feel like Brian and my mama are the same. Because my mama be just like that. Like, for real. My mama be just like that. Like, I just want my mama to meet. I just want my mama to argue with Brian. That would be so funny. Like over a card game or something. Like, if my mama and Brian from BJTV was to argue over a card game, that would be funny. Cause that Brian and my mother act just alike. Like, oh my god, y'all. I'm talking too much, that's why. Brian and my mom, this is what we got so far. This has looking. Yeah. Have emotion like a titan. Yeah. Alright, we finna move the hair to this side. Ooh. We're gonna melt it. I don't need those problems. Back to what we was doing. Can't really pull on it because it's still trying to get in motion. I mean, I'm still trying to stay in position. Bro. Trusting the process is a lot harder to do than say. I will say that. I will say that. Trusting the process is, yeah. You literally, yeah. It's a lot harder to do than say. Because you can say, oh man, trust the process. And the process, trust the process is supposed to give you motivation. But they trust in the process and they feel betrayed. I don't like this process at all. And reveal, y'all. Hold up. Reveal. My glasses on tonight. Bro, the fact that y'all saw me the whole time. The fact that y'all saw me the whole time. Girlville. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about this. It's cool. Y'all, my phone had died like in the middle of my hype session. Like, you can tell when you look good because your phone want to be a hater. Like, you don't even gotta do all that. Like, but yeah, this is the end result. Do not come for me, bro. Don't. I'm a senior. I'm a 24-year, and I can whoop. Don't play. Anyways, yeah, this gonna be a homecoming. Alexa.
Here's a station based on Love Is Blind by ESTG.
Alexa, play 500 Degrees by ESTG on Apple Music.
I Can't Find 500 Degrees, featuring Lil Wayne by Tyga from Apple
No!
Music.
Alexa.
Here's a station based on 5,500 Degrees by ESTG, featuring Lil Baby and others.
It's 505,000 degrees. 105,000 Degrees by ESTG on Apple Music.
I can't find the song Baby.
And the student section. They play this song every homecoming, y'all. Shout out my baby, that's me. I'm in this bitch for TV. Bitch, fall in love. All of my niggas don't know. Alright, y'all. So we came, we saw, we conquered? Did we conquer? Or did we die? Like, let me know in the comments. Yeah. Or no. This not gonna look like this at school tomorrow, and that's what's pissing me off, y'all. Now that my hair is semi-done for school now, we can start cleaning up. Y'all, this right here is not real. This hot comb does not do nothing for my hair. Nothing. So, yeah. Don't buy stuff you see on Amazon unless you read the reviews. Definitely. I did a playlist video. I got copyrighted. I don't want to get copyrighted. And it's crazy because I don't know how to do all that extra stuff like YouTubers be doing. So if you're a YouTuber, you want to help me out. Help me out. Like, switch. y'all, this is another song that's gonna go crazy homecoming week. As you can see, I'm already sweating. So, yeah, that was fun. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. It means a lot to me because I haven't been on YouTube in a while. And I joined a YouTube group. So hi guys, hi. Shout out to y'all and shout out to Kamaya for telling me my wig was coming off. Like, what's really going on? But thank y'all. Love y'all. Bye.